Hey everyone, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm gonna journal. So come on. My kids are back at school today, so I actually had time to sit down and play in my journal a little bit. But first, I wanted to show you this that I got on Amazon. The bad thing about keto is that I can't sleep sometimes, and so I end up on Amazon at like 2:30 in the morning ordering, things like this. But I have to say that I am not mad at it. I can't be mad at a Squatch. You know me. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it if you are a Squatch lover, such as myself. Then you might enjoy it. But anyhow, on to today. Yesterday, I stamped that little kitty. That's from a Waffle flower stamp set, and I colored it in. And that Oh Hello there is from the Crepe Paper Journal Studio sticker pack. And then I decided that I wanted to put in some ribbon because I used to glue in ribbons in my junk journals all the time. And I think unconsciously I have, not been doing stuff like that because I didn't want to bulk up my Hobonichi because I think I've been worried about that. But I decided to not think about the thickness and just do it. So,
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
So the ribbon, I glued in the ribbon and I really like it. I think it's cute. And then I went and had coffee with my mom and dad this morning, and so I grabbed that little lady with the cup of tea or coffee sitting beside her that was from the Real Simple, and which I just got a new a new issue of yesterday, so we'll have to flip through that one together. And then I'm going through my collage stuff, seeing if there's anything that I like that sparks my interest, and I ended up pulling a few things out. It's always funny how if I don't know what I want to journal about, flipping through things will kind of give me some kind of idea or spark something. So that picture right there was actually, it was funny because dance tonight, and a couple of the moms and I sit, while the girls are dancing, and we just chat. And it's one of my favorite times of the week because I just love this group of ladies. They're so funny and amazing and hysterical and smart, and I just cherish that time. I love them to death. So I loved that little group of Victorian ladies. And then that little quote, I didn't even pick out. It just fell out of the basket. So how is that for destiny? So I was like, well, that has to go in the journal. And so I put that in there. This kind of turned into a spread all of its own, even though today's only Thursday, because I just sort of combined them. And then that little spine is from a Real Simple. Don't ask me why I would have cut that out before, but worked perfectly today. And then I drew the spine saying, ouch, because I am so sore from all of our sledding escapades yesterday. And then appropriately, I drew some pills because I have been taking some Advil today. My tailbone hurts so badly. I am so clumsy, and we hit it hard yesterday. We were sledding maniacs. Those little wooden frames are from a set that I got, or a little package I got at Michael's a long time ago. And I put it in there, the little art piece, which I thought was perfect. I think that was I cut it out from an art.com mailer catalog. And then I'm putting that little frame around it. And I just couldn't get over how perfect it worked with that art marks the spot, the words, and then the painting, and then how I feel about my Thursday evenings with my dance moms and getting to chat and have some, quality time. So I'm just journaling about that, and then I'm drawing a coffee cup. And I kind of liked that picture too, because that's also how I feel about the ladies that I work with. They're also part of my people. So I was trying to use up stickers again, and I used some from that Heidi Swapp one from Tuesday morning. So I put that cliche phrase in there to use it up. I used a waffle flower stamp in here to stamp on the little picture. It's like they're talking and somebody's going, ooh. And then I'm just journaling about, how lucky I feel to have some of the special people in my life, like my dance moms and my work friends and stuff. So this was how the spreads turned out from yesterday and today, and they were really fun. I hope you guys really enjoyed this journal with me. I had a lot of fun, and it was cool using different things that I used to use and haven't in a while. So for those of you who were asking about Grandpa Jim, I included some impromptu gems from this morning. So here you go.
Are you ready, Em?
Let's hear it.
You're looking at something.
No.
Okay, we'll go in our usual order. When people say, you remind me of, it's not an insult. Rather, it's a signal of their limited experience and perception. Anyway, keep striving to be so uniquely yourself that this sort of comparison is impossible to make.
That's just dumber than dog shit.
That is just dumber than...
Whose was that?
Huh?
Whose was that?
Emmy's, honey. We always go in the same order. Now Torres. Be willing to fight for what's yours. This is the nature of ownership. From time to time, it gets tested. Maybe it's annoying, but at least this reminds you of the value of a thing. The value of a thing. People don't appreciate the things that are just handed to them as much as they love the things they work for.
That's true.
Keep this in mind before you give or accept anything today.
Okay.
I gotta go take my pills.